Hey guys, welcome back to Stock My Closet. Today I'm sharing basic sleeve pattern and I'll be using this pattern in my upcoming videos. So save this video for reference. And I'm using fabric to cut the pattern. You can also use paper. I have cut out the required length from the fabric. I'll explain how to cut and fold the fabric in my upcoming videos. So for now, just remember we always measure and cut length from the finished side of the fabric. So here I have taken length 8 inches and fabric width is 20 inches. Now fold the fabric by half in width. So this is length and this is width, that is 10 inches. Total width was 20 inches and because I have folded the fabric by half, so here I have got 10 inches. Now from the top, mark a point at 3.5 inches downwards. This is cap height. Extend this point and on this line I'll mark armhole width, that is bust round divided by 4 and deduct 1 inch out of it. In my measurement, bust round is 32 inches. So 32 divided by 4 is 8 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So I'll mark a point at 7 inches. Now join these points. Measure and divide this line into 3 parts. This is around 8 inches. So I'll mark a point at 2.6 inches twice. Now from this point, mark half inch upwards. And from this point, mark half inch upwards and 1/4 inch downwards. So I'll just repeat it one more time. You need to measure this line and divide it into 3 parts. And for that, simply measure it and divide it by 3 in your calculator. This line measures 8 inches. So I have marked point at 2.6 inches twice. And I got 3 sections. From this point, I have marked half inch upwards. And from this point, I have marked half inch upwards and 1/4 inch downwards. Now to draw back armhole curve, join these upper points like this. And to draw front armhole curve, join this upper point with the lower point like this. You can also use French curve ruler. So I have made front and back armhole curves. Now I have taken sleeve length 8 inches. You can make variation in lengths, like I'm making short sleeves. You can make quarter sleeves or full length sleeves. You just need to extend the length as per your requirement and mark sleeve round accordingly. Now on the bottom side, I'll mark half of sleeve round. In my measurement, sleeve round is 12 inches. So half of it will be 6 inches. Now join these points. As I'm making pattern, so I'm not adding any seam allowances. I'll add it on the main fabric. And now I'll cut the sleeves. So I have cut it out. Now pick only top layer to cut front armhole curve. So I have cut it out. And now when you open the sleeves, this is the front side with little deep curve and this is the back side. So with this, my basic sleeve pattern is ready. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you will find this video helpful, and if you have any query you can ask me in the comment section. And also, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.